everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. So yesterday was the first day of autumn, and to celebrate that I'm coming to you with 3 DIY wreath ideas. Honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of autumn. Of course, there is some bright sides of these seasons like hot tea and blankets, but I really don't like that it gets so dark early, it's cool and rainy outside. I'm 100% summer person, but anyway, we can always brighten up these days with some home decoration. That's why I will be showing you 3 different ideas, types of handmade wreaths. They are super easy to make. All you need is a lot of hot glue and some artificial flowers of your choice. So without any further ado, let's start with the first wreath. For the first project, I'm using metal hoop, macrame cord, different sizes and colors of beads, hot glue gun, and some leaves. At first, I had to measure the length of the cord I need. To do it, I'm placing my cord around the hoop, and then I'm taking 3 times that length. For this project, I need 6 strings of the final length. After I cut 6 identical pieces of cord, I've taped them to my worktop for easier job. So what I'm basically doing is creating basic braid with double strings. I try not to tighten it too much and keep the braid the same width. I carry on with this till I achieve the length I need for my hoop. To finish the braid off, I'm making a few knots at the end using thread. Now it's time to attach my braid to the hoop. Simply place the hoop in the middle section of the braid and glue it with hot glue. Use quite a bit of the glue, making sure the braid won't come off. Then, to cover the 2 ends of my braid and decorate this wreath, I'm using some beads. Next, I took some of my artificial eucalyptus leaves and placed them at the angle down and glued them to the back of my wreath. Adding some hoop for hanging, and my first macrame inspired wreath is ready. It is super ideal for someone who likes more minimalistic decoration and boho style. For my next wreath, I'm using again metal hoop, some selection of artificial flowers and leaves, some extra decorations like pine cones and acorn, and some ribbon. I want my hoop to be black. Unfortunately, I didn't have spray paint, so I've just used black acrylic paint and brush. I painted it twice on both sides for better cover. My idea for this wreath was to make it symmetrical as much as I can. So what I'm doing is placing very similar items on the opposite sides. It's like dividing this hoop in half and trying to recreate what's on the first half. I hope that makes sense. You will see what I mean once I place more decorations on it. I'm starting with planning how I want this wreath to look like. Placing items in the right position. Then you can take photo to have like a template and start attaching your leaves and flowers to the hoop. With this hoop, it's quite tricky to glue stuff to it, so I'm also using wire for pieces which are harder to glue to the hoop. Then I'm placing my pine cones together, some flowers and other decorations. To finish it off, I'm creating a simple ribbon bow and glue it on the top of my hoop. Now you can see what I meant with symmetrical wreath. If you take the golden cone as a middle point, the left and right side of the hoop should look very similar in the same order. I really like this one for its darker tones and fine look. For my last wreath, I'm using willow wreath, selection of flowers in brighter colors, some green and colorful leaves. I'm starting with placing the long green branch around my wreath. Then I'm gluing some lovely autumn leaves. So with this wreath, I want to create very traditional, orangey, yellowish looking. There is no any rules how you place your decoration. I only try to fully cover the willow wreath with my leaves and flowers. And again, at first I've planned everything, and once that was done, I started to glue in it. I've added some cute little pumpkin and acorns. I think this wreath is my favorite one. I love the colors which brighten my home during these ugly days. I hope you enjoyed this video and these wreath projects. I had so much fun creating them, apart from burning my finger with the hot glue, so always be careful using this tool. I think wreath brings like a warm touch mood to your home. You can hang them on your entrance door, above the fireplace, wherever you want. They are kind of must-have autumn decoration, and also because they are made out of artificial flowers, they last you years. You can always upgrade them later on, add some things or remove things you don't like anymore. So if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe my channel. It's really close to hit 200 subscribers and I'm absolutely over the moon about that. So thank you so much for your support and watching, and I hope I will see you again soon.